for tuning in. We are going to go over the top seven CVS deals starting next week on Sunday, August 18th. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you've already been subscribed, welcome back. And don't forget to hit that subscribe channel if you are new. Hit that notification tab so you'll be up to date on any of the new deals, the coupons coming out, and where to get the hottest deals. So let's dive in. The first deal is going to be on the Persil 40 ounce or the 16 count caps of laundry detergent. So they are going to be on sale for $4.94. There is a $3 off one coupon that was on coupons.com. I don't know if it's still available or not. I already printed 2 of them, so if it's still available, double check that. That's gonna make it only $1.94, so that's a really good deal. I'll probably wind up getting the liquid, a little bit more bang for my buck versus the 16 caps. Next deal is on LOreal Vibe. They are again on sale 2 for $8, and when you spend $15, you're gonna get $5 in extra care bucks. So the deal on that is you're gonna pick up 4 of them. Total is going to be $16. You're gonna use the $3 off 2 in the Smart Source from, it's coming out this Sunday in the Smart Source, so make sure you guys get 1 or 2 newspapers. I'll be purchasing 2 newspapers this weekend. Then you're going to use a $3 off 2 that's going to be in the app. That's what was advertised, so hopefully we get that coupon. Go ahead and clip it to your card. Final price is going to be $10. We're gonna get $5 back, so the final price is going to be $5 or just $1.25 each. So that's not a bad deal for L'Oreal Vibe. I use that shampoo and conditioner as well, and I really like it. It smells really good, so not a bad deal there. The Tide Simply is on sale again for $2.49. There is a $1 off 1 coupon in the app, so you clip that to your card. Final price is $1.94. Wet n Wild has a good deal, no coupons needed. If there are any coupons that come available, I'll definitely let you guys know. As of right now, there aren't any, but it's on a spend 10, get a $7 extra buck. So your final cost is gonna be about $3, maybe $4, depending on what items you get. So I'm gonna be looking into that. I haven't used Wet n Wild products before, but I've heard good things about them. So definitely a good time to give it a shot and see what you think. The next deal is on Rimmel. It's a repeat from last week. It is buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So if you have those $3 off 1 coupons that you were able to print from coupons.com, you're gonna go ahead and use those. So you can pick up 2 of those eyeshadow palettes again. You can do 2 of the duo mascaras again. Those are $4.59 each, I believe. You're gonna buy 2, you're gonna use 2 of those $3 off 1 coupons, and it's gonna make out for a really good deal. The Crest Scope mouthwash, this is the 1 liter. So last week we got the 500 milliliter, it was half the size obviously. This week is the 1 liter, it's on sale again for $4.79. There's a $1 off coupon in the app, so it's gonna be $3.79. Then you're gonna get back $3 extra buck, so the final cost is just 79 cents. I also have a $1 off mouthwash CRT. If you have that, pair it with it. It's gonna wind up making this free, plus a 21-cent moneymaker. And the final deal I wanted to go over with you is CoverGirl. They are on sale, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. It is a limit of 1, so you can only do this deal 1 time. You're gonna pick up 2 of the professional mascaras. They are $6.29 each. You're gonna use 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons. 1 is going to be from the inserts, and then 1 is going to be on the app, so you can always clip that one to your card. There's also an app-only coupon. It's a $1.50 off CoverGirl mascara, so you're gonna clip that as well. Then we're supposed to be getting a mystery coupon for CoverGirl. Typically they're about $3. It just depends. So hopefully it will be $3. If it is, that'll make this a moneymaker. If it's not, let's just assume it's not the $3 and just do it with the coupons that I know we do have. The total is going to be $12.58. Then you're going to take off $5.50 in coupons. Final price, $6.50, and you're gonna get a $5 extra buck. So it's gonna be $1.50 for both. So that's a really good deal. If we wind up getting the $3 mystery coupon, adjust your math accordingly, then it would wind up being free plus a $1.50 moneymaker. So that would make for a really hot deal. So those are the top 5 deals. I will be going to CVS first thing Sunday morning, like usual, purchasing my Sunday papers. I will be getting my CRTs from the red box, going over all of that, putting together my deals, and then getting my extra CRTs from my register tape. So stay tuned for that video. I will be posting that on Sunday, and I will be posting probably my Walgreens haul on Monday. Thank you so much.